Hello guys, welcome to Zampex. For today, we will be interviewing some successful businesses in Zamboanga, and this is my team, and we are the.
So, yun nga guys, as you can see, madaming magagandang paintings dito sa exhibit na to. And guess who is maganda rin?
Ang purpose ng pagpunta namin sa event na to ay hindi lamang para maka-interview ng mga business owners, kundi kukuha rin kami ng mga insights mula sa kanila na ma-apply namin sa buhay namin or sa future bilang isang ABM student.
So dito guys, nagbebenta sila ng mga coffee shops dyan, makikita mo, and also sardines, binibenta nila din yan. So maya, interview natin sila isa-isa, makita nila sa background ko. Ayan po.
Product. So, i-interviewin po siya ni Robby para sa mga question na ibigay.
Hi po. So, kung magtatayo po ako ng business, ano pa ang best advice nyo sa pag-promote ng aking small business?
Para sa akin, kung magpatayo po kayo ng sariling business nyo, may effort po talaga kayo at time, pati hardworking po to serve the customer para po yung pag-business nyo ay magkaroon siya ng ng magandang kalabasan at kailangan din ng syempre yung financial at para yung profit niya is talaga. Yes po.
Yung next po, anong tips po ang meron kayo for selling product?
Syempre yung talaga, yung customer tag, yung impression ng customer, pati pag-handle mo, at saka yung, syempre, malinis ka tingnan.
Presenta mo.
Opo, yung ganun po. Pati yung mga produkto malinis din tingnan. Sige.
So, last po, when is the right time to expand my small business?
I
Panahon po sa
think pag pag you know how to handle na talaga already, kapag yung may tama ka ng mindset, yes po kasi, at saka yung ready ka na talaga mag-handle.
business mo.
Opo, yun po talaga.
Thank you po.
Welcome.
Tayo ngayon sa Liana's Food Product Manufacturing. So, may question tayong ibibigay sa kanya at sasagutin niya. Sir, kung magtatayo po ba ako ng business, ano po bang best advice nyo sa pag-promote ng aking business?
So, para sa akin is, kung magtatayo, ikaw yung magtatayo ng business. Kung magtatayo ka ng business, ang advice ko sa iyo is, ang itayo mo na business ay yung makikita lang sa ating kapaligiran, yung ginagamit lang natin is yung mga raw materials lang. Dahil nakakatulong na tayo sa ating kultura or sa ating lokal na yung makikita lang natin bitaw sa ating kapaligiran. Hindi na natin kailangan ng mag-import pa ay mag-angkat pa ng mga raw materials sa ibang bansa, sa ibang lugar. So, yun. At kung magkuhan ka ng business is kailangan talaga ng consistency at dapat flexible ka dahil minsan kasi mayroong mga dumarating sa atin ng mga problema or mga failures, may mga dumating talaga na ganyan sa pagninegosyo. Kaya dapat maging flexible ka.
Thank you po. Anong tips po ang meron kayo for selling?
Sir?
Ano po yung tips nyo para sa selling ng product?
So, ang tips mo para selling, tumawag ka ng mga customer at sabihin sila kung gaano kaganda at gaano kasarap yung produkto. Sabihin mo.
At ang last question namin, sir, is when is the right time to expand my small business?
So, para sa akin, wala naman talagang pinipiling oras. Walang specific time na kung kailan ka magtatayo ng negosyo. So, kung sa tingin mo na kaya mo nang mag-negosyo, kaya mo nang mag-take ng rest, dapat kasi kapag negosyante ka, ikaw ay isang risk taker. So, yan. Walang pinipiling oras ang pag-negosyo.
Sige po. Thank you po. CMS Cake and Bakery Product. I-interviewin siya ni Mark para sa mga nanda naming questions.
Tatayo po ako ng business. Ano po ang best advice nyo sa pag-promote ng aking small business?
Una-una, try to research muna kung anong gusto ng market or ng environment mo, kung saan ka gusto magtatayo. Pangalawa, try to start small capital para kung hindi mag-click, at least hindi masakit kung ano. Pangatlo, dapat tiyaga. Dapat may tiyaga. Dapat may patience ka. Ganon. Yun lang.
Second question po. Anong tips po ang meron kayo for selling product?
For me, ang tips ko talaga sa product ko, I'm different to others because I'm serving the quality, not the quantities. That's why.
When is the right time to expand small business?
Actually, yung right time talaga ang sinasabi. Dapat maraming, maraming tawag dyan, research and development bago ka mag-expand. So, kahit ilang years pa yung research and development mo, as long as kung mag-expand ka, prepared ka na. Ganon. Dapat you should be prepared bago ka mag-expand. Kung mag-expand ka lang hindi ka prepared, wrong turn yan. Oo. Be prepared always talaga.
Good afternoon. So, nandito kami ngayon sa Lawrence Food Supplement Manufacturing. And kasama ko po ngayon Sir Timon. So, sir, for our first question po, kung if ever po magtatayo po ako ng business, ano po ang best advice nyo sa pagpropromote ng aking small business po?
Advice ko po is if willing ka mo make a business, first you make a plan. So yung plan is search mo yung anong goal mo, yung purpose. Kasi yung like kay tulad ng sa lolo ko, yung focus niya is i-introduce yung noni because yung noni madaming benefits. It is famous in Japan, in Korea because of its high antioxidant. And then yung Philippines is abundant siya sa noni pero di siya ginagamit at maraming tayo hindi nakakaalam nito. Tapos yung isa naman yung goal is yung para affordable sa mga tao na mga di nakaka-afford. Especially tulad sa amin, I'm from Liloy, which is town lang, not from city. And then yung health services is not accessible sa amin. So it takes 4 hours para pumunta sa city para makakuha ng mga health services. So yung at least man lang natulungan sila, may alternatives. And then yung another goal niya is yung affordable and yung mga needs sa mga like yung herbal medicine, yung mga paggamot. So next, another naman na yung advice is yung marketing strategy. So right now, hindi pa kami ganong nagsasar sa marketing strategy. Kasi may lolo, siya yung gumagawa lahat. From dito, yung nagdi-design, siya yung gumawa from sa mga flavors, sa paggawa talaga siya talaga lahat. Tapos sabi niya nga, in-invite daw siya ng DTI and the need daw ng mga brochure, ng mga business cards, sa mga magandang packaging. So tinulungan ko na lang siya. So kaya ito yung mga bago pa lang yung paggawa ng Facebook page, 1 day lang ko ginawa kasi sabi niya bukas na daw. So parang importante talaga and kasi yung kahapon talaga ngayon, maliit na lang yung business card kasi madami pa lang parang interested. So dapat focus din sa marketing strategy. Yeah.
So, for our next question po, sir, when is the right time po do you think to expand your or my small business po? When is the
right time?
Yes, to expand po.
So, actually, yung business namin is less than 1 year pa. Start pa lang siya in July. So, if plan mo na to expand is dapat i-ensure mo muna yung production is enough. Compute mo muna yung for example, yung mga raw materials enough pa. Depende kasi if gusto mo mag-bake, dapat hanap ka muna ng mga area para sa raw yung production mo, and then also pa yung plan. If medyo marami na nag-request ng nag-offer na gusto nila maging distributor.
when did your business started?
Lika Kawayan started last 2020. This is a single proprietorship called WMT Development One Person Corporation. So Lika Kawayan, started last 2020.
What inspired you? What inspired you?
What is
What inspired you?
inspired you? So to help local artisans. Basically, Lika Kawayan envision to help local artisans wherein nawala siya sa through generation, nawala na yung artistry ng local, yung mga indigenous people, yun. So, I am proud to say that our product here in Lika Kawayan is made of bamboo, can produce it locally. At the same time, yung mga artisans natin is indigenous people. So, we help them in order to preserve the culture and even the arts of our indigenous people.
So, ayun no, grabe. Sir, for the last question, sir, what can you advise for the future entrepreneurs or para sa magpa-plan pa lang ng business?
So, my advice for the next or inspired to become a entrepreneur is don't lose hope. Don't lose hope. You cannot target yung magsisimula ka pa, huwag kang mag-expect na parang sili, agad-agad matitikman mo yung anghang. You need to be patient. You need to be patient, then don't lose hope. Then make your employee proud. Yun.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Try mo, ma'am. Joke lang. Try mo, ma'am. Grab mo muna, ma'am. Grab. Tapos amuyin mo. Diba? Press off. Lagyan sa bato. Grab yan, ma'am.
Hello once again, I'm Christian Magsalay and I'm here in the Nutrition Corp and I'm here with Kuya. What's your name, Kuya?
Omar.
I'm here with Kuya Omar and I'll be asking him some questions po kasi nakakaamoy na lang kami ng mabango dito. So, the first question, Kuya, what are the challenges na nafe-face mo when doing this business?
Doing this business is facing challenges is with competitor and some of our competitor registering from FDA because we are FDA approved and all our products are FDA approved and all our existence is legitimate.
So, ayun no. So, ayun po, Sir Ron, since you said na yung mga competitor talaga yung nakaka-face mo ng challenges. So, the next question is, what are your marketing strategies?
What are our
Marketing strategies.
Firstly, our marketing strategies is it's when marketing is on we have social media platforms and physical stores. Yeah.
So, yun no. So, yun pala yung mga marketing strategies nila no. So, and I can say din naman talaga na mabango talaga yung product. And for the last question po, Kuya Ron.
And additionally, yung trade fair na ganito. Yun yung aming strategy.
Kaya, napapakuha talaga kami ng gano'n, no? So, for the last question po, what inspired you doing this business?
Ano po?
Ano po yung inspiration nyo? Or ano yung na-inspire? What inspired you to do this business?
We inspired to the all our clients and customers must have these amazing rubs that soothing and relaxing and calming scent No, not this our rubs and oils is extraordinary. Not ordinary, but extraordinary. It's special and very scented haplas in the market.
So, yun no. Thank you, Kuya Ron, and thank you for the Nutrition Corp. So, yun.
Yun nga guys, katatapos pa lang namin dun sa nagabenta ng mga wrap and
So, parang bango and it's cooling talaga.
ang lamig sa batok guys. Nawawala stress ko kay Mags. Totoo guys.
So, hi guys. I'm here in Ruru Mushrooms, and I'm here with Kuya.
RP.
I'm here with Kuya RP, and I'll be asking him some question regarding their business. So, Edlin asks Kuya for the question po.
So, when and how did your business start?
Our business started because of my mom. After we finished college, she went into retirement, and then she invested to build a farm. She invested to build a mushroom farm here in Zamboanga. Sole purpose is to educate Zamboangueños how to eat mushrooms, and also that it can be a livelihood. Yeah.
Knowing that these mushroom chips po are not common nga sa market po, ano pong mga marketing strategies nyo para makakuha po ng mga customers na magpa-purchase ng product?
Yung starting pa lang kami yung lumalapit sa tao kasi di pa kami kilala. So yung nangyayari, pinupunta namin isa-isa mga restaurants, hotels, inintroduce namin yung products namin, may mushrooms kami. Tapos hanggang nakilala kami dandahan, tapos doon nag-follow yung mga tao sa amin.
Where do you see your business po 5 or 10 years from now?
Hopefully like yung brand namin is maging staple siya. Tapos mag-export na din kami sa labas, ganun. Hopefully yun yung mangyari.
Last question po, what are your advice po for people who want to venture into business rin po?
Kapag mag-venture kayo, make sure like committed talaga kayo. Kahit ma-fail kayo sa first time, dapat tuloy pa din kasi di siya madali. May mga times na ikaw mismo iiyak. Tapos dapat may financial backup ka. For example, business mo is 50,000 yung capital. Dapat may extra 100K ka. Para kung di siya mag-work sa first year, mag-inject ka pa din ng pera para tatakbo siya. Ganon talaga yung business. Like,
Importante po na merong backup plans.
di backup plans, backup financial aid. Kasi okay lang may backup plans ka, pero kailangan mo pa din ng pera para sa backup mo. Yeah.
Thank you po.
Sige, thank you.
Once again, no, I'm
Dapat 80 yung grade nila or 90. 95 dapat grade nila.
So, thank you po.
Thank
Kuya,
you.
and also Ruru Mushroom for letting us interview this. No, hopefully.
Ang business.
But,
Good luck po for the business. Thank you, Kuya.
A few moments later.
So, ara guys, ito guys. So, ngayon, taste na kami. Ang inaabangan. Sarap siya guys. Matamis, matamis. Sir, ang inaabangan. Sarap.
Meron din tayo cooking demo here. It's about chabacano dishes. Kahit siguro may allergy ako from seafood, nakakagutom pa rin.
Mag-rate niya ako. What school po kayo? Ang dami nila dito. Dito sa review kung ano yung lasa ng Alabar Express. Ang masasabi ko lang ay kanina lang yung
So guys, kaya paano? Cheers, 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 cheers. Rice. Sarap. Thank you, ate.
So, ayun nga guys. So, this is the end of our video.
And we learned so many things from different business owners, and we hope to apply them as we go on with our lives as ABM students.
Padayon!
So, ayun nga guys. Let's
Bye-bye.
hanggang sa susunod. Paalam!